Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade right here on MooMoo. I just downloaded the platform. I'm not using the web browser or web trader because I think the platform is more clean and I have more options. So I recommend you to use the platform. So if you don't have any idea how to download that, I created seriously 5 minutes ago a nice video with how to download the MooMoo platform. So check that one out. And in 1 minute, you are having the MooMoo platform. Then after that, you will see right here, this right there, or accounts. Now, I don't have an account yet right here on MooMoo. I'm using the paper trading account. But let's say you're having an account. What we are going to do is I go to custom and I select right here a nice trader. Now, I like the active trader the most. So I select right here active trader. And now we are having this nice screen. You will find a lot of information right here. But right here we have the watch list, so everything that we can add it to our watch list, and then we just click here on the watch list and then you will immediately find it right here. We can search right here for a symbol if you want to do that. So let's search right here for BTC and then you will find Bitcoin right here. This right here is the order panel. You will find right here the depth of the market and yeah, some more information right here. But let's say you want to trade, and with trading, I mean you want to buy, want to sell, or want to do your analysis. Then the first thing that we're going to do right here is we want to buy. So what we're going to do is select right here the symbol and select right here buy. We go to the order type and I recommend you to use market order because then you can buy it directly. If you do a limit order, then when that price will hit, he will buy that for you. But I think if I want to buy directly, I want to use a market order. Then we can fill in right here the quantity. You can do it in amount, like US dollars. So we can fill in right now 100 US dollars, or you can do that in quantity. Now I want to do that in amount, so this is fine. We have also time in force right here, but that is not possible right now. And then the only thing that we need to do right here is click here on trade or buy. Now, if you can see, I need to verify my account and I'm not having a MooMoo account because I already created more than 50 trading accounts on different platforms. So I won't give all my information to every broker. But if you want to use MooMoo, you can just simply create an account and then click here on buy and then you can buy it from here. This works exactly the same for a sell one. Click then on sell, fill in the quantity and then click right there on sell. And this is how you can buy and sell right here on the chart. Now, if you want to do some more analyzer stuff like that, we can go right here to the watch list. And then let's say we want to click here on Bitcoin. Then you can select right here indicators and then you can add an indicator right here to the chart. Now they have a lot of indicators. So let's say, which indicator are we going to add? Now let's do this one, for example. Then you can add an indicator like this. Now you can also change the line type right there. And to be honest, I think these things are the basics that you need to know to start trading. If you want to know more things about it, please comment it down below. I can help you out with literally everything. This was the quick trading tutorial for today. I don't want to make a video longer than 4 minutes because otherwise it will cost you too much time. I want to keep it short and clear. So if you have questions, comment it down below. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.